Hey Crock Posse, Aunt Lou here, and today we are going to be making easy crock pot peppered beef tips.
Oh, having a whole lot of fun.
Roll.
Sugary sweet. How do you miss a mouth that big? Hi, welcome back to another edition of Cooking Chris's Dishes with the good old boy.
And Aunt Lou.
And today we're going to show y'all how we make peppered beef tips in a crock pot. We're going to give you a tip today. In fact, we're going to give you about a pound of them. And what you're going to need for this recipe are the following ingredients. You need beef tips, or stew meat, or chuck roast that you cut up, and it saves a bunch of money. I can't remember how much
Chris
money.
said $5. This is $5 cheaper than getting beef.
And y'all know how much that we enjoy chuck roast around here. So if you want to pay somebody $5 to cut up your meat for you, go ahead and get stew meat. Go ahead and get those beef tips, or get yourself a nice marbled chuck roast and chop up chuck yourself, and it'll save you about $5.
Chuck roast, not chuck.
Yeah,
we do not promote chuck getting chopped up.
You know, he got in trouble one day. He got grounded.
Man.
Yeah. Anyway, also, other than the fact that you need your pound of chuck down in there, cut them in about 1-inch pieces, you know, something that's going to be bite-sized when it cooks down. You also need 1 can of French onion soup. You need 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. You need pepper, because it's peppered beef tips. If you don't want to use pepper, then just make beef tips. And you also want 1 packet of brown gravy. Now, I'm going to catch some flack, and I've got to talk to him about this.
Go for it.
No, we did not brown the beef first. Can you? Yes. Should you? If you want to.
You can do whatever you want with this recipe. If you think you have a step that would make it better, go for it.
Go for it.
If you want to leave a step out, besides cooking it, like, that's the only step I would skip.
Yeah, definitely make sure you're cooking it. Yeah, cooked version anyway. But you can brown that meat if you want to. It does add another dimension of flavor, but sometimes you're on the go and you got to put something together to have for dinner when you get home from work. You don't have time to brown it. And frankly, at 6 o'clock in the morning, I don't want to brown my meat.
No.
So, that in there. And then you want to take all your other ingredients, your brown gravy mix. I didn't tear that very well.
Not very well.
I don't really have the use of my hand yet. And Lou's making me do all the hard work.
Oh my goodness.
There we go. Oh, it might help if I get it in the... I tell you what. This packet is giving me a time. Put all your other ingredients...
You have to be smarter than the packet.
That's where the problem lies. Take all your other ingredients, your soups, and your... Oh, that just comes straight out there. Ooh, good thing I had good aim.
Right.
And your pepper, easy. See, now Aunt Lou comes over, she breaks stuff.
That's flying pepper. Okay,
and
how much pepper was it?
As much as you want.
Okay.
Pepper to taste.
How many is it that you like? I know you have a certain number.
For that, I go 13.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yes. Now mix that all up. Very good. That way everything, you know, was all mixed together, all those flavors soak in together. And then you're going to take and you're going to pour that over the top of your meat.
Give me a second.
If Lou ever gets this part done. I'd have had it done by now, but...
Oh, you would not.
Sports injury.
You'd be over here whining about how it hurts and how it's so awful and you need more pain medicine and blah, blah, blah.
You want to see the bruise on my butt?
I do not want to see your butt in
Y'all probably don't want to
way,
either.
shape, or form.
So, she gets her all mixed up, right over the top of the beef just like that. And then we have instructions that what you want to do now is you want to put a lid on it. And then after you put your lid on it, you want to cook it. And this says that you want to cook this in... You want to cook this in your slow cooker for 8 hours on low. So,
and I would
perfect for a shift.
That this one could even go, like at this portion, this one could probably even go in a 4-quart.
Actually, it says in there to do 4-quart, but I grabbed a 6-quart.
But he doesn't listen to me ever.
Do what?
Case
So, we're going to put a lid on it.
Dude, every time you say that, like, the song comes into my head. You know what song I'm talking about? If you like it, then you ought to put a ring on it. Like, so, I always think if you like it, then you have to put a lid on it.
That's the way Beyonce mean. So anyway, we're going to come back in the snap of a finger and we're going to show you what this looks like over some egg noodles. In 3, 2, 1. And we're back and the 8 hours have elapsed and now we are going to try some really good beef tips. I'm excited because when Lou comes up, you know, we do a little more high carb stuff. So we have
some noodles.
Egg noodles.
Woo!
And we're going to show you what we're going to put over them. And that would be beef tips. Stir that up. Now, it's better to use the 4-quart, and this is why, because all that liquid will go over the top of the meat. As you can see, some of the brown on top, but I'm thinking it's going to be okay.
It'll be fine, but you just need to listen to me, Mikey. I've told you this for years. Da-da-da.
And because I'm hungry.
Da-da-da.
Alright, did you get a bowl? Or? Okay, well let's check this out. Of course, you can see all the little pieces of
where you want to show
onion. Got some onion there from the soup. Well, I can't eat it from here. Let's go from here. Get some of them noodles that we had cooking up.
Yep. Those look hot.
They are. These noodles just came out of the pot.
Oh, burnt mouth?
Almost had a noodle escape. Oh my goodness.
I told you.
First off.
Whoa, that's so tender. It fell apart when I tried to put my fork through it.
Yeah. So no, we did not brown that meat, and it's still that good to make me smile. I'll just take a piece of meat by itself. Oh yeah. That chuck roast is gonna fall apart. That's perfect. Of course, the noodles.
That's really
When you have beef and noodles like that, the noodles I cooked them al dente, so they got a little bit of a chew to them. They're not mushy at all. You know, I peppered these quite. I put a lot of pepper in that, but I really don't taste the pepper. You can run away.
Yeah.
So
you're gonna put more on.
I'm gonna put more pepper in.
Just remember that I sneeze easily. You're doing that so I can't eat this, aren't you?
You don't like pepper?
No, I like pepper. I just can't. Like, Michael will pepper his plate like crazy so that I'm across the table and sneezing. So.
I love a show with sound effects.
I can't get any on my fork. But yeah, these are awesome.
There's a sweetness to it from the soups. So it's sweet, but not like sugary sweet. How do you miss a mouth that big?
You're evil.
Hey, if you like what you're seeing here,
The bill's very good.
I did it again. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Alright, so let's say you're liking this. And I know you are. I know we are. Having a good time. We popped up some good recipes this week. That is definitely one of the best. I'm going to try my best to come back next time. I'm not having to be wearing this.
Hopefully.
So no more swan dives off the deck. But if you like what you're seeing here, whether it's the food, the good looking guy, his guest stars, whatever it may be, we ask that you click the like button down below. It kind of looks like this. Also, if you have not become a member of the Crock Posse, make sure and click the subscribe button down below. And if you want to see, I did? No, I said you want like it. Oh my gosh, start over. Hey, if you're liking this, while Lou's stuffing her face, I'm going to say this. If you like what you're seeing here, click the little like thing down below. The little like thing, you know, the button. And also, if you've not become a member of the Crock Posse, then down below is a little subscribe button. Click it and welcome to the family that we lovingly call the Crock Posse. And also, click that little bell right next to it if you want to know as soon as we pop up a video. What do we call that bell?
Ding-a-ling.
We named it after Aunt Lou. Whatever you do, y'all, we ask that you do 3 things, and that's laugh often,
eat good food,
and speak life.
Bye.
See y'all. Okay.
My bowl.
My crock.
It's so hot. Is it legal for me to work under these conditions?
Oh, look, your 2 biggest fans.
What's up, Crock Posse?
Middle.
Today, we are going to make peppered beef tips. He's going to hit me.
Scoot over. In 3, 2, 1. Action!
Hey, Crock Posse.
Wait, I didn't say 3, 2, 1. In 3, 2, 1, action! Hi, welcome back to another edition of Cookin' Chris's Disses with the Good Disses.
This is
Cookin' Chris's Disses.
we just dissing up things all
It's a
out here.
roast. Because we're dissing a pound of peppered beef tips.
What's beefy? It's that way, isn't it?
Okay, well, we've reached 115 degrees in the drawer. There was noise coming from my drawers.
Not the first time today.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny,